Driving a stock car at more than 300 kilometers per hour takes a lot of talent, but technology also plays a key role in how the race car performs and how a race is officiated. Let's take a look at some of the tech that makes NASCAR work. The most obvious example of technology in NASCAR is the car itself. These machines have been developed and fine-tuned over the years to provide more performance and safety for the driver. On the performance side, NASCAR engines are powered by McLaren electronic fuel injection technology. Using this system, teams can access vast amounts of data about how the car performs, as well as how the driver uses the throttle around the track. NASCAR only allows teams to access this information in the garage area, so it's off limits during a race. However, during practice, it's a valuable tool to help tune the car. Another area where there have been many advancements is driver safety. The Gen 6 car was designed by NASCAR with safety in mind. It features many safety enhancements over older cars, though not all the equipment is new to this modern stock car. One of the safety devices most visible to fans is the roof flap. These flaps, in use since the 1990s in NASCAR, are designed to disrupt airflow over the car when it spins, preventing it from becoming airborne. Though these flaps don't always keep the cars on the ground, they have greatly reduced the number of incidents involving flying race cars. Another important safety device that NASCAR requires all drivers to use is called a HANDS device, also known as a head and neck restraint system. This device is fitted over a driver's shoulders and attaches to their helmet and is designed to prevent dangerous whiplash-type movements of the head and neck during a crash. Some other safety advances in the car include energy-absorbing foam and specially designed seats to protect the driver during crashes. Advances in technology apply to more than just the race car though. Racetracks have updated technology to make events safer and improve the fan experience. One of the biggest safety improvements in recent years at the track has been the installation of safer barriers. These walls, made of steel tubes and foam pyramids, are designed to flex on impact, decreasing the force exerted on the driver. When compared to a rigid concrete wall, these new barriers allow drivers to safely walk away from impacts that would have been far more severe in the past. NASCAR also utilizes modern technology to score races. Electronic scoring loops are embedded in the surface of every track. This, along with a transponder mounted on every car, allow NASCAR to instantly determine the position of any car during the race. NASCAR has also used their research and development programs to find ways to improve the fan experience. One such example is NASCAR's new Air Titan 2 system. As stock cars are unable to race in wet conditions, fans would often have to wait out hours-long delays in rainy weather while NASCAR dried the track using jet blowers. In addition to being slow to dry the track, these dryers also use a significant amount of fuel. NASCAR began to design an improved method of track drying. The Air Titan uses compressed air to move water off the track surface. This system is both more fuel efficient and faster. Tracks, which once took several hours to dry, can now be dried in as little as 45 to 90 minutes, depending on track size. Speeding drying times helps to ensure the fans have a better chance of seeing an event run on the scheduled day instead of being postponed. As technology used on race cars improves, NASCAR must continue to improve its own technology to officiate the sport. NASCAR has recently introduced a number of new innovations to improve their ability to police the sport. One of these systems that fans may see during a race broadcast is the pit road officiating, or PRO system. The PRO system is an automated system of cameras that monitor each pit stop on pit road. The computerized system is able to detect any violation from improper use of equipment to too many crew members servicing the car. Another place NASCAR has introduced new technology is at the inspection process each car must go through. Until recently, officials would have dozens of metal templates that needed to be used to make sure cars met the proper specifications. This already slow process was slowed even more by the need to have specially designed templates for each manufacturer. Now NASCAR has introduced a new laser-based inspection system. This system is able to quickly take dozens of measurements with a level of precision that wasn't possible before. This has made the technical inspection process much more efficient, saving teams valuable time at the track. NASCAR and teams continue to push the boundaries of technology to improve performance and safety, as well as improve the fan experience. As in the past, it's likely that some of the advancements made on track may one day find their way into your passenger car. To learn more about the sport of NASCAR and its history, be sure to check out each edition of NASCAR University.